All right, I don't know why I'm making this video. I actually have a lot of stuff to do, but I feel like I have to let it out and say what I have to say while it's fresh in my mind and my heart. But lately, I haven't been happy with myself as a creator. And I've noticed it not only in myself, but with other creators as well, just not being happy with our video performances or ourselves as creators, not being invited to things or missing out on certain camera gear or whatever, FOMO. And I feel like it's a very common thing that creatives and entrepreneurs often go through, comparing themselves to other people's successes and then realizing that they don't have the same success or things. We start to become a little depressed, not happy with our current situation. And for me personally, I've been asking a lot of questions like, why aren't my videos performing the way I want them to? Or why am I not at the level that I want to be at as a creator? I see all my friends doing so well, but I am not there. Why? And then I remind myself that I've got kids. I got a family to look after, so I can't dedicate 100% of my time to my business, and that's okay. It's okay for me to not put out as much content as I want to because I have a family. Having a family while running a business is not a bad thing. And by the way, for the people that choose not to have children because they just don't want to or they want to focus more on the business, that's totally cool too. I actually don't like it when people who have kids shame on other people who choose not to have kids and vice versa. I don't think it's right for people who choose not to have kids put shame on people who choose to have kids. It doesn't matter. We all have our different circumstances and we all have our own struggles that we deal with. But comparison, that's something that us creators and entrepreneurs often do, and it's a habit that we need to break. I'm not a psychologist whatsoever, clearly, but I do have a psychologist friend who told me that if you make bad decisions often enough, those bad decisions can create neural pathways in our brains, like literally, that end up becoming bad habits. That's why they say it takes about 29 days to break a bad habit, and comparison is a bad habit that we need to break. And I know it's a lot easier said than done, and I feel like it's a struggle that all of us are just gonna have to encounter for the rest of our lives. But I feel like a really good and healthy way to combat that is to celebrate your victories. I have kids, and that might be challenging to run a business, but I've got kids. 3 beautiful, amazing kids that I love and adore. I have an amazing wife who I love to the moon and back. I have a YouTube channel where I get to make the videos that I want to make. I host a show with Sony Electronics with my friend Jenna. Like, hosting a show, like, that is so cool. And if I really think about it, all the things going on in my life, I think I'm doing pretty well. And even though I feel that I'm not at the level that I want to be at as a content creator, that's okay. I'm gonna keep on pushing. I love my job, I love what I do, but I'm also very thankful for all that I have in my life, the people that are in my life, the fact that, I don't know, I can order a grilled cheese sandwich and have it delivered to me. Actually, I might do that. And of course, the thing that I love to do the most, and that's to make videos. Those are the small victories that I'm gonna celebrate. Anyway, I know, not your typical camera review video or filmmaking tutorial video, but just something I just wanted to share. So hopefully you enjoyed that one. All right, gotta go, gotta finish a video. Deadlines, classic me.